Lassa fever cases have already been reported in 10 Nigerian states, leaving more than 40 people dead in the past few weeks. One of the latest cases was in Lagos, Nigeria's biggest city. The state has commenced sensitization on Lassa fever. Authorities are urging people not to panic and remain calm.
Markets in Lagos are usually infested with rats, so when the very first case of Lassa fever was reported in the city last week, local authorities decided to send sanitary officers to major markets on what you could call a rat-fighting mission. The targeted markets were shut down and traders asked to leave so sanitary officers could place poisonous baits at strategic areas in the markets to kill the rats. The sanitary officers say they would come back the next day to mop up and safely remove the dead rats. State authorities are asking residents not to panic over the reported case of Lassa fever in the city. They say people should just keep their environments clean and observe basic hygiene.
The mainland hospital and all other general hospitals have been placed on high alert. The antiviral drugs ribavirin for the management of cases are available. Ambulances have been dedicated to respond to referrals and transportation of cases. The hearing of jingles on Lassa fever are ongoing on electronic media. We have reactivated the isolation wards in Lasuth and 26 general hospitals in Lagos State for isolation of any suspected cases. We have provided PPEs, personal protective equipment, in all our 26 general hospitals for use by the health workers, with 6,750 PPE reserved at the mainland hospital in Yaba. The disease surveillance and notification officers, the DSNOs in all the local government areas in the state, have been sensitized on Lassa fever to enhance early detection and prompt reporting of cases.
Meanwhile, authorities say the individual who came down with Lassa fever in the state is now in a stable condition and responding positively to treatment. Health officials are now monitoring about 40 persons, both patients and medical workers, at the hospital where the individual was first treated for any symptom of the virus. They're also trying to track down a total of 109 persons who may have had contact with this index case in Lagos. Deji Badimosi, TV 360, Lagos, Nigeria.